Operator Ramirez here with SEMA News. I'm at home in isolation, just like many of you. I even have my isolation beard growing and my hair is actually getting quite long. But while some of us are in isolation, there are SEMA members out there who are fighting against COVID-19. In fact, Stratasys has a whole coalition going in which they are producing personal protective equipment. So here's a look at what they're doing and how to get involved.
Our focus was on saying, what can we do that's actually big enough at enough scale that we believe it'll really actually make a difference. And we talked with some of our customers on the healthcare side. We talked with organizations like the Mayo Clinic, for example, and said, what would make a difference for you? And we looked at, based on what 3D printing can do well. And from that, determined that we could really print an awful lot of shields that could make a significant impact.
Aaron, you've seen some of the pictures. There was a fire department that I remember sending us some photos, and some hospitals or medical facilities holding up signs and things like that.
The Fairview Hospital, for example, here in the Twin Cities, they're part of the University of Minnesota's healthcare system. And they all were holding up signs saying a mix of, stay at home, stay healthy, as well as, heart Stratasys.
We have a software system called GrabCAD Shop, which is a good enabler for us, because when you have 100 virtual factories, and that's basically what we kind of have, trying to organize the orders and shipments on all those without having previous relationships in the past. GrabCAD Shop is brand new software for us that enabled that. So we set them up on GrabCAD Shop. They can see the healthcare facilities that are placing orders. They'll grab that order, say I'll print 100 of them. That's usual our minimum quantities. And within a week of those prints, they send those materials into us. We pair that up with a plastic face shield, a clear shield, and then fulfill that, send it out to the actual healthcare facilities themselves. And it's been constant.
I've actually worked with about 5 to 10 different customers, and they'll reach out to me via our partners that we have. But just being in California and seeing the response in Southern California has been pretty awesome.